Welcome back to my channel Explorer Mausam. In my last video, Deoriatal Tunganath Part 1, I had shown you Rudraprayag and the beautiful Deoriatal lake. In this part, we will be visiting CHOPTA, Tunganath and Chandrashila peak. Starting from the third day, as I had discussed earlier, drive up to CHOPTA. If you are planning to return from Tunganath on the same day, stay back at CHOPTA. Otherwise, start your 3-kilometer trek to Tunganath. The 2 to 3 hours trek through the green meadows and high mountain peaks in the background will definitely ease your trek. There are a few huts in the Tunganath to stay at night. It is recommended to take dry foods or snacks with you. Witness the truly mesmerizing sunset from Tunganath and visit the Tunganath temple, one of the 5 KEDARS of Uttarakhand. If you are interested to watch the sunrise from the Chandrashila peak, start around 2 hours before the sunrise timing from Tunganath. Take a guide, use headlamp or torches to find your way in the dark. Enjoy the sunrise at its best and have a glimpse of several Himalayan peaks. The height of Chandrashila is above 4,000 meters and heavy woolens are must for any weather. After your breakfast at Tunganath, trek down to CHOPTA. If you have an extra day, stay back at CHOPTA. Otherwise, drive back to Rudraprayag for the night stay. Next morning, drive till Haridwar or Dehradun for your onward journey to your hometown.